This is a large trial in diabetic patients, but obese diabetic patients. So they're looking at the impact in that population. That population tends to have less of a weight loss for a variety of reasons, but it's come out exactly where we thought it would come out. Actually, maybe a little bit better than people's lowered expectations after that first trial readout a couple of weeks ago, if you remember, when the stock got hit severely, Lilly's stock. And so we're seeing about 10% weight loss and still the same high levels of discontinuations. This is a long trial. So you even find a whole bunch of people on placebo discontinue because they get bored, they want to go and get weight loss from another drug. So it's actually pretty decent data. And I think you can see that Novo has sold off on the back of this because it's a small molecule pill. It's a pill you can take, relatively easily manufactured, and you can take without too much complications in terms of don't eat, do eat, take it in the morning, take it in the evening, that sort of stuff.
And that's the key, Sam, and I'm wondering how much of a game changer this is, because it's not an injection, right? It's a pill. You're looking at an industry that by 2030 is projected to be $95 billion. So if this goes Eli Lilly's way, is it a game changer for the company?
Yeah, I mean, it has gone their way. This is, unless something shows up in the enormous number of files that they filed to the FDA in terms of side effects or something, this is a drug that's likely to get approved. The question is, how do you use it? You've got the injectables once a week, not a big ask, very fine needle. People even tell me they don't even notice the needle going in and out, but still, you don't see the needle. So where does it sit? 10% weight loss versus 20-odd% weight loss. So what is the right way forward here? Some people are needle phobic. It's going to be helpful for those. Some people can't get access to the drug because it's hard to manufacture the other ones that are injectables, sterile manufacturing. So there's lots of room for this. And of course, there's this other thing that I think a lot of people keep thinking about is you've got your big weight loss with your injectables 6 months in, 9 months in, 12 months in, switch to this and help you maintain. You might not even need the higher doses, which are causing some side effects. Maybe you can get away with a lower dose and maintain that weight loss. They would have to do a trial to prove that, though.
So, Sam, as you're talking, a question kind of popped into my head. You're talking about all the different advantages to it. What about, has there been any talk about price? Like, how much could this pill cost compared to an injection?
I mean, it would be an error for these companies to start competing with themselves on price with their products. If you find that actually you can go with the lower dose of this, your margins are a bit better, definitely, because there's no device involved, but I don't know what the small molecule manufacturing, because not all small molecules are easy to make, right? It may be a small discount, perhaps, I don't know, but I doubt that this will come out at a level that's significantly lower. On the other hand, it does have lower weight loss, so maybe there is an opportunity to kind of price it pari passu, if that's the right phrase, in line with its weight loss that you're getting.